Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put or type text watermark in a PDF file using EaseUs PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this pages option and this right sidebar. Here you will find this watermark option. Click on this down arrow and select here add option, and this text watermark already selected, and this image watermark. Click on this text watermark and type your text here, and this watermark now pasted here, and here you can change watermark font style, and this font size, and this font color, and this watermark rotation option. You can rotate it, and this watermark opacity, and this watermark scale. I'll make it 80. See this, and this watermark horizontal position. You can see this right and this left, make it center, and this top position, and this bottom position. See this, to make it center. Also you can appear this order behind this image, behind page, and appear on top, and this page range option. You can add a specific page range, and this is all pages, and finally select OK and select OK, and see this watermark now showing all of these pages. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.